Hi everybody, this is Kyle Tomson with Tomson Burnham Real Estate. Hey, today I'm excited to show you a new listing of mine at 4655 Verda Lane in Kaiser. And this property isn't just a place to live, it actually offers you some unique opportunity. It is one of those rare in-city small acreage properties. And so the lot right behind me, which is about 90 feet by 85 feet, gives you the opportunity to build a workshop or an ADU or anything else that you can think of that you might want to use for this very flat, usable space. So we're going to start off and take a tour of the house, and then we'll take a closer look at the rest of the property. So stay tuned. As you can see from this aerial shot, the house sits very far back in the lot. The overall lot size is 0.63 acres, but because of the position of the house, you really do have this big space in the middle that you can do a lot of different things with. You could have an ADU on it, you could put a large shed on it, or just have a bit more privacy, a place for your toys. There's lots of different things that you can do with it, that because of the house is sitting far back, it's kind of a blank slate, and you can do just about anything that you want. And as you walk into the house, you have the living room that has brand new carpeting. You've got a large wood-burning fireplace, a lot of natural light with windows on the front and back. The bedrooms have their hardwood floors have been refinished. They're beautiful. And then, you've got the third bedroom in the hallway that the hardwood floors are ready to be refinished. All of the flooring that was sitting on top has been taken up. And then, you walk into the kitchen and you have this oversized kitchen that has a dining area attached to it. And then you have the laundry room right off of the kitchen, and that actually has a door going out to the side yard. And then there, of course, is another large sliding door going out to the backyard. This property has a huge garage. It is a two-car garage, but there is a lot of space on both sides for benches and tools and things like that. And it's also very, very deep. And so you can fit a lot behind. Even if you have very large cars, you can fit a lot in here. Kind of a neat bonus about this property is it was originally on a well. Now, a few years ago, the owner had it connected up to city water. So now it's on city water, but he kept the well. And so now, just for the cost of electricity, you can pump water to irrigate as big a garden as you'd like. So if you need a lot of space to grow, a lot of space for your toys, or you just want to enjoy a large lot far away from the road, this property has a little something for everybody. If you would like to see it in person, reach out to me, and I'd be happy to schedule a private tour. I'll see you next time.